What is going on, guys? It's your boy Julio Reacts, and I'm back with another Dashie video. This time it's a fucking toy review, water babies. I don't know. Disco ROBO. If you wanna check the original video, I'm gonna leave it down in the description down below. But without further ado, let's do this.
Oh, what up? It's Dashie, and welcome to KIDZ Toys.
Look how he spelled the words.
Christmas Kids Toys Christmas Kids Toys Unboxing Christmas Ghetto. Today we have water babies.
Water babies.
Feels like a real baby. Special delivery baby.
Special.
Fill baby with warm water.
Ooh.
25th anniversary edition. I wanted to do something for the baby girls out there and not just for the fellas. So without further ado, I know I'm excited and I can see it in y'all's eyes that y'all are too.
Damn, I can't wait.
Let's do it. Okay, let's get to the unboxing process. I hope y'all having a great day and have a great Christmas if you celebrate that. If not, have a great day that day anyway. That rhymed. Wow. Parents, if you get this for your baby girls, be sure to have tools handy to free this little bit. Okay, we have now unboxed baby girl Dashita. Here's what she comes with: 3 diapers, a pacifier, and a bottle. Oh, and this for when you're feeding Dashita. You don't want to get now I know you're probably supposed to give her milk or water or something like that, but fuck that. Everybody wants juice. So let's give you some juice. Go ahead and drink that all up. You drink it all up, baby girl. Drink it all up. Disclaimer to any young people watching: do not actually feed a real baby like you're gonna drink that juice. That's that good juice, bitch. That's Welch's. That shit is 100%. It is very important to burp your child. Now let's change her diaper. I feel like it's wet. The diaper, stop. I don't know if it's supposed to be maybe the juice.
The juice.
Bonus toy, bonus time, bonus toy, it's bonus time.
Yo.
Oh, today's bonus toy is Disco ROBO.
Disco ROBO.
Includes MP3 player and speakers. Wow. I dance to your beat.
Fuck.
I chat with you. Let's get right into it. So excited. Let's do this. Well. Looks like this motherfucker takes 8 fucking batteries. Oh, look at that.
Holy
8
fuck.
batteries, and you have to screw it in. Why do I feel like I'm the one getting screwed? Moment of truth.
So happy to see you.
You better be fucking happy to see me. You cost me 8 fucking batteries.
Damn. Yeah, that's pretty cool, bro.
I'm feeling him. Dance to your shit. No. This motherfucker only wanna dance to me. This motherfucker only wanna dance to me. I appreciate you for that, my boy. You know what? You kind of cool. Let me introduce you to one of my homies real quick. Come here. Maybe y'all could become best friends or something. Look, you feeling him? He a cool dude, I'm telling you. And he's also for sale. Link in the description. What? I didn't say. Thank you guys for watching. All right, now, see, now you starting to piss me off because I'm trying to say my shit. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all. The thumbs ups and the likes. This is the last Christmas episode. This is the last Christmas episode, but I don't know, maybe I'll bring it back, but you know what I'm saying, like, just doing, like, non-Christmas. I don't know, y'all. Leave some comments. All right, y'all, so, thumbs up. Again, thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. Yeah, oh, and I almost forgot. I keep forgetting to tell y'all, because in the last couple videos, I've been, okay, look.
I don't know what he was gonna say, but pretty cool video as always. Make sure to leave down in the comments what video you would like for me to react next. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And see you guys in the next video. Peace.